Hi, you all might know the diffusers. Basically one of the smartest solutions to diffuse your Godox MF12 flashes, because 3D printed, very lightweight, magnetic attachment that pops on. So it's non-invasive. You just click it one part on your flash and then the other one goes magnetically on top. So this is one of my favorite diffusers for the MF12 beside, you know, my Godox rubber diffusers. And you also have additionally we have a polarizing filter. Also this is very handy. Again it attaches. We can remove the other diffusers and then you just go and magnetically attach the two diffusers, because cross-polarization works with one diffuser in this direction on the light source, on the flash, and the second one that is 90-degree reversed, so you see, to extinct the light that slides on the center ring of the flash. And here we go, here we have the cross-polarized filter that goes on your camera. So this is the system for your MF12 diffusers and the cross-polarizing filter. Now we are switching to something new. That's, I just put it together to show you this. So this is a new designed diffuser for your Godox MFR76 ring flash. Also here to show you everything is just clicked on the flash. So we have these parts. I can show you if we remove it. So this is the back part. This is the front part. So basically we have the ring here, and then this goes just on top of the ring. Voila. And then this is the back side. Everywhere you have marks. You cannot miss this. Okay, so here we go. Then slide this on your flash and you're ready to go. Just magnetically attach this diffuser, and the diffuser comes also with like a separation. So this is like the full diffusion, and if you slide this in, okay, also everything 3D printed, everything clicks in, no straps, no screws, nothing. Then you have like a side illumination. That's pretty clever, and it doesn't stop here. We also have a cross-polarizing filter for the whole thing that goes, and it tells you what white balance settings. White balance 6500 Kelvin. If you go for manual, full power manual, or manual +1, I have to ask Sabi about this. Put it on top, and here we go. We have also the polarizing filter. Let's check out how they work. So this is the polarizing filter. Then let's go and switch to the ring diffuser. with the center ring. And without this separation ring. And to compare also the original ring flash. Well, that's a short overview of this new and exciting piece of equipment from Sabihand. Go and check out his website. The link is in this video to shop this, to use this if you want to level up your MF12 and MFR76 flash systems. Stay tuned for more videos to come on Dental TV.